Are you looking for the best nut milk makers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best nut milk makers that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ChefWave Nut Milk Maker. If you're searching for budget-friendly, well-reviewed, and easy-to-use nut milk makers, this one from ChefWave is a great choice. Lacking some of the bells, whistles, and cool tech that other almond milk makers have, this simply designed cool kitchen gadget makes up for it with a job well done. Ideal for small batches, this is suitable for all kinds of nuts and grains and comes with a glass carafe, recipe book, reusable mesh filter, and silicone spill-proof lid for storage. The glass carafe is also dishwasher safe. Hand washing is recommended for the mesh filter. Something to keep in mind is that there is no built-in blending system, so a blender is required. Any blender will work, but high-powered blenders from Vitamix and Blendtec are excellent at breaking down tougher ingredients. This nut milk maker also requires that the nuts and oats are pre-soaked for at least 12 hours, and once you've reached the straining step, it can up to 30 minutes to completely process. Moving on at number 4, we have the Vegan Milk Machine. The iDavy Vegan Milk Machine is a 1.9-liter budget-friendly option that makes delicious milk from grains, seeds, and nuts. While pre-soaking of your vegan ingredients is required, this nut milk maker has plenty of cool features, including an innovative smart system that not only extracts the full nutritional value from each grain, but also quickly processes, heats, and calculates the processing time. In addition to pre-soaking nuts, beans, and oats, you'll also need to use the included strainer to ensure that your final product is smooth. Feel like making more than just nut milk? You can. With this nut milk maker, you can also make yogurt, cheese, soups, breads, ice cream, desserts, and more. A recipe book is included for inspiration. At number 3, we have the NutraMilk Nut Milk Maker. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to make nut milk, be sure to check out the NutraMilk Nut Milk Maker. A machine that simplifies the nut milk making process to just 3 easy steps. The NutraMilk makes up to 2 liters of all your favorite nut milk varieties in 5 to 12 minutes. Using innovative technology that renders little to no waste while making nutrient-dense nut milk, this is an ideal almond milk maker. And, while this model might be more expensive than some of the other models on our list, but we think the ease of use and hassle-free experience is worth it. Here's how it works. Simply place 1.5 cups of your favorite nut, seeds, oats, or legumes into the machine and turn it on to create a butter. Once butterfied, add 8 cups of water and hit the Mix button. The machine then works to create your milk, and even takes care of the filtration process so that you have a smooth end product. No soaking, no cheesecloth or nut bags needed. Talk about easy, right? Even easier. The container and its parts are all dishwasher safe. Your DIY nut milk will last at least 7 days, and the container's built-in dispenser also makes it easy to pour and use. The machine can also be used to make straight-up nut butters and smoothies too. Each model is sold with 1 container, but additional containers are available for purchase. At number 2, we have the ChefWave Milkmade Dairy Alternative Vegan Milk Maker. The ChefWave Milkmade Dairy Alternative Vegan Milk Maker is one cool kitchen gadget. Featuring 6 milk-making programs, digital touch controls, and a self-cleaning function, this nut milk maker is a real game-changer in the kitchen. With patented technology that extracts flavors from raw ingredients, this machine also pulverizes and filters nuts, allowing you to make a variety of creamy and smooth gluten-free and vegan non-dairy milk alternatives. And, it does it all in less than 16 minutes with the click of a button. No need to pre-soak or prep anything. This machine can be used as an almond milk maker and soy milk maker, and can also process cashews, oats, macadamia nuts, and coconuts. It also requires fewer nuts and beans, only 1 tablespoon is needed. Here's what we like about this model. Batch sizes. Rather than making one large batch, the ChefWave Milkmade can either brew 10 ounces or 20 ounces at a time. The glass pitcher can also be stored in the fridge. And finally at number 1, we have the Instant Ace Plus Cooking Blender. From the makers of the Instant Pot comes this incredibly cool high-powered blender that not only makes smoothies, cocktails, soups, doughs, and frozen desserts, but also has built-in programs for soy milk, nut milk, oat milk, rice milk, and nut butters, too. Using innovative technology and 10 adjustable speeds, this blender becomes an almond milk maker and soy milk maker with the touch of a button. The one thing to note is that this appliance is a blender first, nut milk maker second. While it's designed to do a variety of kitchen tasks, including making nut milk, it doesn't have a filtration system like the other models on our list do. However, it is sold with an accessories package that includes the tools necessary to strain your homemade nut milk. The included strainer bag is machine washable and reusable. This is sold with a 54 ounces blending pitcher, and the display panel monitors internal temperatures so you're aware of how hot or cold something is. There's also a bit more management and setup involved with the nut milk settings, as you do need to pre-soak your nuts, beans, and oats for 24 hours. While there are more steps to complete, the machine does render nut milk within minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.